how to fix screen time not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are struggling with screen time not working on your iPhone, you're in the right place. First things first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Now let's dive right in. First, open the settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down and tap on screen time. There, you'll see app and website activity under limit uses. Tap on it and make sure to toggle it on. So once you have toggled it on, the screen time will probably appear on your screen. But if that doesn't work, then what you have to do is scroll down and go to content and privacy restrictions and then toggle it off. Wait for a while and then toggle it on again. If this doesn't work too, then go back, go to general and then tap on date and time and make sure your date and time has been set correctly. After that, you have to restart your phone again and it will start working. However, even after restarting your phone, it doesn't work, then you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then reset your iPhone once again. And this will probably help you fix the issue. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.